broke up the first time, saying this is it, I've had enough, 'cause like we hadn't seen each
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
Today's lesson is learning how to play a Taylor Swift song on guitar. And in this tutorial, we are learning We Are Never Getting Back Together. And we are having fun today. Remember to listen carefully and just follow along with me. And let's jump straight in. Here are your learning steps. There are 4 chords to learn in this song. G, C add 9, E minor 7, and D sus4. Step 2. We'll learn the strumming and picking pattern for the intro, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Step 3. We'll piece the song together from start to finish. Okay, so let's learn the first chord. Our first finger is going to go on string 2, the little finger is going to go on string 1, and then our second finger is going to go on string 5, and then the first finger is going to go on string 4. And on the C add 9 chord, we strum from string 5. Okay, so the next chord is G. So we can keep these fingers here, and then we're going to just move fingers 1 and 2 up onto string 6 and 5. There we have G. Okay, the next chord is D sus4. Again, we can keep these fingers down, put fingers 3 and 4 down, and then we're going to place finger 1 on string 4 like this. And just making sure on this one we're strumming from string 4 as well, because if we strum all the 6 strings, then we get like an overpowering sound with these strings and they don't sound great. So just make sure you're strumming from string 4. And today I'm going to be using a guitar pick. Okay, so the next chord is an E minor 7 chord. So we keep in fingers 3 and 4 here, and we're going to place the second finger on string 4 and then the first finger on string 5. And the E minor 7, we're strumming all 6 strings. Okay, so those are the chords that make up the whole of this song. Okay, so practice those if you need to, and just get those where you can find them quickly and even memorize them. And then join me in the next step where we're going to start to piece together the intro, the verse, and pre-chorus and chorus. Okay, see you there.
Guitar Star in 30 Days. A brand new course for kids 6+ under one roof. Learn new songs, progress quickly towards a dream. Take your first steps. Feel proud. Let a child try. Give them a smile. Show them you're proud. Join Guitar Star in 30 days by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. Let your light shine.
Okay, and welcome to step 2, and we're going to start with the C add 9 chord that we learned in step 1. And now what we're going to do on the C add 9 is to pluck out a picking pattern on the strings. So here we go. I'm going to do it slow first of all, so you can follow along, and then we'll try it a little bit faster. Play a down strum from string 5. And then we're going to change to the G chord, and then we're going to pluck out some strings. We're going to go 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3. So you can see that I'm playing the C add 9. with one down strum and then changing to G, 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we're going to change to a D sus4 chord. And we're going to do a down strum from the 4th string on this one. And then we're going to change to this E minor chord. And then we're going to pluck out the same picking pattern that we had on the G. So 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so those are the 4 chords that make up the intro and the verse. So you might want to pause the video and practice that for a little bit. But I'm going to play it a little bit faster so you can hear how all that connects together. Here we go. A little bit faster. Okay, so that is the intro and the verse. Okay, pause the video if you need to and practice that. We're going to move ahead and take a look at the pre-chorus to this song. Here are 3 big ideas to know where you are on your learning journey. 1, you might be a beginner learner here at the bottom of the ladder. So the next step for you is learning how to play the notes and chords correctly and smoothly before moving on to step 2. Remember, it's okay to be at step 1. Maybe you had all this other stuff going on and not had chance to learn guitar yet. 2, this is where I'll teach you the notes and chords and how they fit together in the song. And then once you've completed this step, we'll move into step 3. When you arrive at step 3, here we play the song from start to finish. This is where we get the chords and the notes in the correct order and the correct rhythm. This is the level where we perform and play songs at. The first chord, the pre-chorus, is the C add 9. But here we're going to be doing some picking on the C add 9 rather than strumming it. We're going to pluck string 5, 4, and then we're going to strum string 3, 2 and 1. And then we're going to pluck string 4 like this. We're going to change to G and we're going to pluck string 6, 4, and then we're going to strum. And we're going to change to D sus4 and we're going to pluck string 4 and 3 and then strumming 1 and 2. And we do that once, and then we're going to change to the E minor 7, plucking string 4, 3 and then strum. So that's 4, 3, and then strumming. Okay, and that's the pre-chorus. So I'm going to play it for you and you can take a listen. Here we go. Great, okay. So that just leaves the chorus. So here we're going to just be strumming. Okay, so the first part of the chorus, we've got C add 9 and we're going to do a down and an up strum. And you can see here that I'm stopping the strings in between. And then G, D sus4, and then 1 down on E minor 7, 1 down on D sus4, and then back to C add 9. And the second part of the chorus, we follow in the same chord pattern, but then we've got a little bit more strumming to do. So we're going to do 4 down strums on the C add 9, followed by an up strum. And then the same on G. Same on D sus4. 1 down on E minor 7. 1 down on D sus4. And then we do that again. Then we go back into I'm going to play the song all the way through so you know how many times to do it in the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus. So join me there. Quick introduction. If you are new to my channel, I'm David Aldridge, author of Guitar Star in 30 Days and founder at David Aldridge Guitar Schools, where we boost kids' confidence, one note, one song and one lesson at a time, bringing the joy of music to your life each and every day.
I remember when we broke up the first time, saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like we hadn't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space, what? Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how that lasted for a day. I say I hate you, we break up, you call me, I love you. We call it off again last night, but it's time, I'm telling you, we are never, ever, ever getting back together. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we are never, ever, ever, ever getting back. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we are never, ever, ever getting back together.
And here are a few takeaways. I appreciate I got a little bit better today. I'm proud of myself for trying my best. And I challenged myself to be better. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.